Pop the top, fill my cup up. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Obviously, I am feeling good. Feeling good this morning. I am on DoorDash. They just sent me a $4.50 order for like 5 miles. It didn't make a sound, which I'm like looking into that, making sure my sound is all the way up. I don't know why it didn't make a sound. $9, 10.7 miles for some McDonald's. McDonald's. There is a McDonald's. Oh, that is the one. That's far. The McDonald's is like in the middle of that. Okay. Another decline. $5.79. 3 miles for some Taco Bell. I know it's less miles than the pay, but let's see. Okay, it's going to a house. I know that for sure. It will be a round trip. Should we do this at some Taco Bell? All right, I'm gonna accept it. We're gonna start our morning off with some Taco Bell. Well, they moved the rack, so I had to like double check if there was a drink or something, but no, we good. All right, so where it's supposed to say if it's a leave at door or a hand it to me, it says contactless delivery. To call customer and arrange drop off location, but it is a house. I think it's a house that I delivered to before in a neighborhood I always deliver to. So I'm not gonna do that. Bro, if you turn with me right now, we're gonna have a problem, because this car has been following me since we left Taco Bell. All right, there was a $3.29 tip on that one. Why was that so difficult? Like, I don't need to call the customer. And it was basically a leave at door, and I put the food down, I clicked that I delivered it, and then it had me take a picture, so I had to walk back up there and take a picture. We got a $9 order going 2 miles at McDonald's. This is for 1 kid's meal. That's it. Am I feeling this up or no? Alrighty, Orlando, here's your 8. Yeah. A kid's meal? Yep. Could you put this in it's a DoorDash order. Can you put it in a bag? Hey, Jules. This is a DoorDash order. You gave it to her like that. Thank you. All right. Alright, so I got the goods, and DoorDash is throwing something new at me once again. Enter the last 3 characters of the order number. And now there's not like a sticker on the bag that says the order number. Alright, it looks like a house. I saw this app. It just gets like extra steps for no reason. They yelled, thank you. 1 kid's meal with a water. Who orders water? 1 kid's meal. It was a $5.50 base pay, which means a lot of drivers declined it until it got up to like the $9 total. What I got. So, I mean, it's just 1 item, but it was like 2 miles, so that's not bad. All right, so we are definitely heading home. It is getting so dark. Like, the storm is a brewing. I'm gonna have to resume this tomorrow, and hopefully the rain stays away. What's up, guys? It is a few days later. I've had UberEats and DoorDash on my whole ride out here, and not a single order. So I'm restarting my phone, hoping it's like a connection issue. I mean, I hope it's not, but like something, you know. I haven't got a single order, and I'm like, well, maybe I should just maybe it's my phone, cause it is noon on a Saturday. I know people are hungry. I know people are ordering. Oh, instantly I'm getting an Uber Eats order, $12, 10 miles for Papa John's. I can't do that. It's taking me in the boondocks. I can't. $12 though. All right, maybe that was the issue, because as soon as it turned back on, I logged back in to Uber. Now I gotta do DoorDash. Instantly got an order. So maybe that was the issue, and it was just my phone this whole time. I got this order trying to walk. Alright, I've paused my Uber, and hi, DoorDash for Nicole?
Sure.
Yes.
Could you do the confirm pizza?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh, he already knew. He already had it on the counter. I had to confirm the pickup in the app, which is completely fine. I'd rather do that than have to get out of the order because somebody unassigned it. Ooh, this street, okay. This is not the best area. I didn't realize it was like on the, like down here on this street, but it's right. It looks like a house slash trailer. Yeah, it's a trailer. It's a hand it to me, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm so sorry. I had to start the timer and message her, and I was getting ready to like leave it there and take a picture once the timer let me. Like, that's a lot of food to just leave, you know? I don't want nothing to happen to it. All right. Anywho's, let's head back to the restaurant areas. All right, we got a double order, $14.13 for 4.9 miles at the Wawa. Uber order for Ryan. Okay.
Eventually.
Yep, thank you. Thank you. Alright, that took a while. What? That took a while. We were just waiting for the drink. The food was already sitting there. 13 minutes. I took that screenshot 13 minutes ago. 13 minutes we waited on whatever smoothie drink this is. Pickup number 2. Oh, Wingstop for 2 items. All right, that's right across the streets. All right, she's got 2 items, so hopefully waiting on that slushie got me some time, and this should be already ready. Hi, Uber for Marissa. That's it. Thank you. It was already ready. All right, the wings are first. They are going to a trailer park right next to the Amazon warehouse that I pick up from.
Turn right to stay on County Road 579.
Oh, we're not even up there yet. We got to go through this death trap. Oh god. Oh, That was a big hole. Bro. And there's the Amazon warehouse, you guys. I didn't even show y'all. Guys, I didn't even show y'all, but it is over there. Okay, I actually delivered to this place as well. It is a aircraft place where you go and you fly your own little airplanes, you know? It's right next to a park, and he even gave instructions. It's me outside, because obviously you're outside. Aircraft, a long driveway, I remember that, will be under the pavilion next to this park. So right up here. I've already been here before, so I've delivered like some churros to a guy flying his plane, and I was like, all right, that's convenient. $10 for 9 miles. Another Popeyes order. Popeyes keeps blowing me up, and I don't pick up from Popeyes or Zaxby's or Wendy's. Oh god, oh god. Okay, I thought the grass was better, but it's not. Oh god. Oh, look at this, y'all. Look at this. This is nice. If it's a little bumpy, but this is nice. My camera just ran out of battery. We just got here, y'all. Wow. Perfect timing for my camera, you know? Oh, there he is. I'm gonna stop right here. Alright, my freaking camera battery died. At least I got this backup, y'all. Alright, delivered. Cool, cool. I won't find out how much I made for a little while. You know, it will just pop up the amount without any tips, and then I'll see the tips in about an hour for both orders. Y'all even got a porta potty out here. Oh, I can see the warehouse from here. Right there, there's the warehouse. The Uber Eats is showing I made $4 right now, so I'll find out what the tip was. I'll put it on the screen. But imagine taking those 2 orders with those miles for $4.13. This is why tips are so important to us drivers. There's no way I would have accepted that, nor would most Uber Eaters accept an order like that. I can't dash anymore. I was only able to dash for about an hour, and then my dash is over. I need to stop and get me another soda, because I just survive on Diet Coke, and I need to re-up. So I'm gonna do that and probably see if I can get some orders heading to my house area, because I do commute just a little bit to this area, because I don't want to deliver in my hometown area for video reasons, like, you understand. So I'm going to end this video here. I feel like it was very eventful, a lot we talked about. Let me know what your thoughts are on the things that happen in the comments below. Let's chat. Let me know if you're going to the gig conference in August 4th. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos, and you just being here just makes my day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.